第12课，明天天气怎么样？
Lesson 12. What will the weather be like tomorrow?
你好，我是黄增。Welcome to HSK Standard Course, Level 1. Today we're going to go on with Lesson 12. This time we're going to deal with Dialogue 2, 对话2. The weather can be changeable, and in most places, it often rains in summer. Then, how do we express that in Chinese? This is what we're going to learn today. We're going to learn more about the weather. First of all, let's learn some new words and expressions. The first one is 下雨。跟我读，下雨，下雨。It's a verb phrase. It means to rain. It consists of two characters, 下 and 雨. We have learned 下 before. Do you still remember? It's a noun indicating the position, under or below. But here, it's a verb, indicating the natural phenomenon of the falling of rain, snow, etc. And 雨 means the rain. Then, what about to snow? We can say 下雪。下雪。The second one is 小姐。跟我读，小姐，小姐。It means miss or young lady. In Chinese, we can put the family name or the full name before 小姐. For example, 李小姐，李月小姐。We have learned the word go. Do you still remember? 去。And we can say 去学校，去医院。And now we are going to learn the opposite. To come. 来。跟我读，来，来，来学校，来我家。Let's have a review of the new words and expressions. 下雨，下雨，下雪，下雪。小姐，小姐，来，来。Now, let's turn to our language points. We've learned that 会 is a modal verb, indicating the ability. For example, 我会说汉语。And you can turn to Lesson 6 for more information. Today, we're going to learn a new meaning of 会. It can also be used to indicate the possibility of a situation mentioned, most of the time in the future. For example, 今天会下雨。It may or will rain today, but not now. Then, do you know how to change it into a yes or no question? We can say, 今天会下雨吗? If yes, we can say, 会. If no, we can say, 不会. And to make them complete, 今天会下雨。 今天不会下雨。Very good. Now, let's put the sentence parts in order and make it a grammatically correct sentence. Okay, let's check the answer. 爸爸8点前会回家吗？ Please give both affirmative answer and the negative answer. 爸爸8点前会回家。爸爸8点前不会回家。It's time for our dialogue. Dialogue 2. Before listening to the recording, I have 2 questions for you. 1. 今天会下雨吗？ 2. 王小姐会来吗？ Now, let's listen.
今天会下雨吗？今天不会下雨。王小姐今天会来吗？不会来，天气太冷了。
Let's check the answers. 1. 今天会下雨吗？不会。2. 王小姐会来吗？不会。And do you know why? 天气太冷了。Now, let's read the dialogue together. 今天会下雨吗？今天不会下雨。王小姐今天会来吗？不会来，天气太冷了。Now, let's read it again without the help of pinyin. 今天会下雨吗？今天不会下雨。王小姐今天会来吗？不会来，天气太冷了。Very good. Now, let's do some exercises. Exercise 1. Find the right place for 会 in each sentence. Let's check the answers. 1. 明天天气很好，不会下雨。2. 老师下午会来学校。3. 他下星期会去中国吗？ Wonderful. Exercise 2. Look at the weather forecast and try to describe the weather with 太 or 会. In picture 1, there's a sun, indicating that it's too hot. We can say, 今天天气太热了 or 今天太热了。In picture 2, the man is wearing coats and it's too cold. We can say, 今天天气太冷了。And picture 3 shows it will rain. We can put it this way. 今天会下雨。Great. let's have a brief summary. In this class, we've learned some useful words and expressions describing the weather, such as 下雨, 下雪, and we've learned another usage of the modal verb, 会, indicating the possibility of something that will happen in the future. 今天会下雨吗? I have a task for you. Check the weather forecast of tomorrow and the day after tomorrow to see whether it will rain. 明天会下雨吗? 后天会下雨吗? And that's all for today. Thank you for your listening. 再见。